So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you use SQLite in Python. So for that let's open our VS Code. Then what you have to do is just simply go in file tab here, then open folder, then you can open your desired folder. After that you can just click here and create a file. I will be using name as app.py. You can just type like any name here. Then what you have to do is just import this one. Import SQLite3. This is the particular module which we will be requiring in this video. Now what you have to do is you have to create a connection first. So this will be our connection. Then what you have to do is you have to create this variable equals this one. We will be creating a file named as example.db for this particular video. Then what you have to do is just create a cursor for this. C will be our cursor. C equals to conn dot cursor. This will be our cursor which will be used for like creating or manipulating data. Then what you have to do is create a table. That's it. Then execute create table if not exists user, and this will be followed by a syntax like primary key with auto increment. No, this will not be an auto increment. Then name, which will be text data type, and not null. Age will be an integer which will also be an not null data type. Then you have to commit this connection. Sorry. Then you need to insert some user and then commit the connection. Insert data and c.execute. This will like insert the data that is Alice and 30 in place of these variables in our table. Then that's it. If you want to add more data you can. Then c.commit. c.commit. This will save the changes in our database. Then what you have to do is if you want to like print users, firstly let's close this connection and see that it is inserting our data or not. So just save this and run your Python file. Sorry, you will be needing connection here to commit. Just save this one and try rerunning this. Okay, so our example.db is created. You can see that these values which we have just inserted are here. Now if you want to see those values on your terminal, now what you have to do is c.execute, select asterisk from users. Then what you have to do is this will fetch all the rows for row in rows and then print row. So this is the data which we have in our database. It is getting repeated. You can see that these are getting repeated because we have rerun this program. If we will comment this out, then we will get only 4 rows now, like the previous one. Okay, if we uncomment this, now you will see that there will be 6 rows now. This is because these lines are running again and again when we are running this whole code. So whenever you need to like insert data at one time, you can comment these lines. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.